Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr.D and welcome to my English learning channel. If you are new, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you have been following me for a while and haven't subscribed yet, press that big red button to show some love. Just like other homophones, the mistake usually happens when writing. So in this lesson, we will look at another common mistake made by native English speakers, which is deciding whether to use affect with an A or effect with an E. If you are still learning English, this lesson will help you get an edge over some of your English friends, so keep listening and surprise them with the correct use of these words. Let's break it down first. Both effect and affect can be used as either a verb or a noun. However, in this lesson we are going to focus on the common uses of each word. In other words, how we use affect as a verb and effect as a noun. Affect means to make a difference. We use it when we want to say that something was the action that caused the change to take place. Effect, on the other hand, means the end result of change. We use effect when we want to describe what has happened because something else happened first. Let's look at some examples. I was wondering if blue food coloring would affect my hair. It did. The effect of the food coloring on my hair was making it blue. Steve wanted to know if hair be gone would affect his mustache. The effect was that his mustache fell off. Here is a tip for when you are trying to figure out which one to use. We can usually place an article before effect. In other words, we can use the or an before effect. This isn't always the case, but it can help you to notice the difference. For example, an effect of standing in the sun for too long is sensitive skin. A final hint for remembering when to use which word is raven, or in other words, remember affect verb, effect noun. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to see my latest videos as they are released. See you again next time.